Welcome to TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to talk about Azure Data Factory Studio Preview experience. So you can see already very nice activity, and then all see those arrows and everything and connections. And inside the for each loop, you can see there is a copy activity and data flow. So that probably may already have made you happy, like, hey, the things are improving in the graphical interface on the Azure Data Factory. Let's take a look at how exactly it look like and how it is benefiting us. I was waiting for this type of change actually. So if you see here, what you are going to do, you are going to go ahead and open settings. Once you in the data factory on the home page, then you are going to go right here, open settings, to learn more about opt-in. And then once you click right there, it's going to ask you Azure Data Factory Studio Preview Update. You can learn all those here. There is article written, so you can take a look. You can turn it on and you can turn it off from here as well. So you see there it is a settings actually. So when you click right there, on top of it, it takes you to settings. You can simply go to setting by yourself and take a look from here as well. You can turn it on. I have turned it on and then applied in the other window right here, and so I can give you comparison on both sides. So I'm going to just delete this. So what I did, I created a pipeline here in this data factory, and there is a old data factory style where it is not enabled. So let's go to the pipeline here, and in the pipeline I can go simply and bring the copy activity. Okay, this is the old one where I did not turn on this setting. So you see right there, there is a copy activity. You don't see anything here but the green check mark or button here, that's on the right side. So I have to click here. Maybe I can get data flow here as well, or any other activity. Let me grab one. So go to the and bring the data flow here. So you can just drag this here, but you're not seeing anything like, hey, on success and on failure and all those kind of things. So how you do that, you click right there and select and then right click and see all that. So you can see failure, completion, skip. This is kind of tedious and it's not easy to, sometime even I was trying to like double click, I'm not able to find. So eventually I found out then you have to click. Then once the arrow is bold, then you will see these. If you have enabled this setting, and that I have done here in this data factory, and what you will do, if I will bring a copy activity, you're gonna see right these nice arrows when you hover your mouse. So see right there, there is a right there, hold on, there is your success, and then you have this completion and failures and all those. Let me get the data flow so we can connect and take a look. So see right there, you have all those right there, and you can connect simply right there, and it's going to show you something like that. That's pretty neat. I like it the way it is right now. Instead of that green and then select the arrow and right click, still you have the same option available as well. But now it is more, you have these all other popping ups right there when you click on this activity. So if I want to bring another activity, I just click here and then I can connect. So you see that once you click here, they will not disappear. So that's cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, leave this copy activity, and delete this data. Let's go to the old data factory where we same. I mean, when I'm saying old data factory, where the setting is off. Now, if you have this, let's say copy activity, and you use for each loop. So if you're going to use for each loop, connect to it, and now if you have to place the copy activity and other activities inside, what you have to do, you have to click here in the configuration. It's going to open this inside of it, and then you can bring those activities and then you can work on them. So each time you click, you're going to see the change settings or every other tabs available for that activity. Once you click on data flow, it's going to show you that related to the data flow. Now let's go to the other data factory where we have enabled this setting. Now I'm going to bring the for each. So right there, and then you connect. Now look at this. I can simply click right here, add activity, and it's showing me the drop down. So I can simply go ahead and say copy data, and then I can add and then say data flow, and you see that it's already connected with the success by itself. Now I can go ahead and add another one. Let's say I want to run notebook. Now you see right there, so I'm gonna just close this. I can simply, while I'm here in the for each on the main flow right there, I can simply click on the copy activity and I can make all those changes. I don't have to go inside the copy for each loop and make these changes. I can click on data flow and I can make all that. I can go to the notebook and make the changes or setting changes, whatever I want to make. Now if I will go, let's say I want to bring another one. So I bring Azure function here and I can connect Azure function with this. Okay, so it's connected, and here I can move a little bit here, maybe make it small so you can see right there. Okay, so it's even for each loop inside is visible to me and I can make changes. If I want to go further in, I can always go to configuration here, and then it is going to show me all those details there, all the activity what I have. If I have to make changes, maybe I don't want to be, instead of success, I'm going to go for failure, and I can simply do that. So then I can go back to the pipeline here, and you see right there I have a green arrow. Then on failure I have a notebook running now. One of the thing I learned from here when I was working, so you see that I can simply go ahead and delete from here. So when I delete, it delete the whole for each loop. So that's one of the thing. If you want to delete it, you have to go inside and delete it. So maybe there would be improvement. I don't know as of now, but you can experiment and learn. Maybe there is something I'm missing. So if I have a copy activity here, then I have another data flow activity here, and let's say if I try to delete, as I just selected a data flow and deleted it, went the whole thing out. So it took the whole for each loop. So maybe later on they will improve one. If I go back inside the configuration, and then I can simply select data flow and remove, then for each loop will stay as it is, and it refresh just it took a little time to just refresh, like 2 seconds. So that's fine. So I can keep adding more here, and let's add more. So we will add execute pipeline. Again, as I said, that if you right click and say delete, that you are thinking maybe it will delete this part, but it is deleting the whole for each with everything else. Show lineage. Okay, that's just right there. So let me do one more time. If I will just select this copy activity and then press the delete button from my keyboard, what happened? See, it deleted the whole for each. So these are the things. But anyways, you learn how to turn on this studio feature, and how it is beautiful by adding these different items here, and also with the for each loop. You can work straightforward in the front of the for each instead of opening inside and all that. So there could be other places where this will be implemented. I will say go ahead and turn it on, enjoy that. If it is existing pipeline, it's not going to do anything bad to it. So you can start playing with the latest interface, and I hope this will helpful to many people. I liked it. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.